motivation in wider political causes, unconnected with revelations about security? Is there simply a bureaucratic desire to defend the institutional interests of the security services, or does it have a wider political agenda? If so, whose agenda is it? It's all very well to ask what would happen if some bogeymen came to power. I suspect that governments of many, possibly all political persuasions, if they had the temptation, they would take it. Thank you.
Probably true. Mrs. Morfai, be as brief as you can, please.
I don't know why exactly do I need to be briefer than anybody else. I mean, there are hardly any members of the committee
you got
here.
The floor for the third time, and I'm just looking at
everybody
the clock.
Else had 2 minutes, so let me have 2 minutes too, Madam Chair. So the most obvious question is how can the sun rise every day after your revelations and the revelations of Mr. Snowden? But on a more concrete note, you mentioned, Mr. Drake, the Stasi agents and the work of Stasi collecting data. At this point in time, basically everybody agrees that state socialism or communism was a dictatorship, and that was one of the means of the dictatorship to achieve whatever aim that they had. This is a kind of a politically correct, accepted statement. But is there a dictatorship today? This is a much less politically correct statement or even question. That are we talking about a dictatorship today? And who are the dictators? Is it the United States, or is it, I don't know, corporations, multinational companies, bankers, hand in hand with the political power and the 1%?